stickers now. All right. It is cold out. I didn't like what I recorded before, so we're doing it all over again. Woo! What is going on, everyone? And welcome to Kart 63. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by. Real quick. If you didn't mind hitting a like on this video, possibly subscribe to the channel. Kart 63 is brought to you by Track Tack Tire Treatments, Burris Racing Tires, and back on board for 2025 is Beard Octane. Great intro, buddy. I'd like to welcome Beard Octane, the whole crew there. If you're looking for any beard-related products, if you're looking for some handcrafted, handmade soaps and luxurious things for your man-made and your body, check out Beard Octane. So I just thought I'd throw that out there. I was very excited to have them back on board. Third year, I think it's a third year that Beard Octane has been on the cart, and might as well make them part of the whole family and bring them upon Kart 63 as an official type sponsor or whatever you want to call them. Anyway, so I went to JC Specialties today. I don't know if you could tell. I don't know if you could tell that I went to JC Specialties open house today. I had a blast. That video will be coming out. I'm going to have it done next week. I took a ton of footage of the warehouse and just in general products that they had there. It's gonna take me a little bit. I think what I'm gonna do is do like a mashup of the videos, and I'll probably just do some voiceover work. So maybe an intro like this, and then do some voiceover work and talk about what JC Specialties I saw there. I pretty much got the whole warehouse. If you've never experienced JC Specialties, it's pretty rad. Good time. Got to have some conversations with old friends and meet some people that I had been hoping to. So, yeah, that'll be coming next week. But this week, the revisiting of the video that you have never seen, because I kind of watched it back. It wasn't a bad video. It just wasn't what I wanted to say, and I thought we could shoot again. So, long intro. I apologize for that, but let's get into it. We're going to go with race shape. What are you talking about? Okay, race shape. What I'm talking about, I think I did a video a long time ago about exercise and racing and what exercises you might want to do, things you might want to focus on, basically core work, like you can work arms and stuff like that, but basically just all around strength is going to help you. Cardio is a real good thing. Coming from somebody who exercises, I am going to be 48 here in the next month. I have in my 40s now, I have taken to exercising. I do boxing, I lift weights and stuff like that. I also race, but I can tell you that this is more so for the new racer. If you are getting into karting, if you are just in the first couple years of racing and you're finding the same thing happen every single season, you're not alone. Racing requires reps. There is no replacement for racing reps. I practice that, racing reps. A slight tongue twister. But seriously, I do a lot of exercises. One of my New Year's resolutions was to do some cardio to really advance that. I guarantee you, when I go out and race for the first time this coming spring, when I get into the flow of everything, it's going to take me multiple laps in order to get in race shape. There is just a certain way that you hold your body, the G-forces, the way you hold your breath, the excitement, the adrenaline. There is no replacement for race reps. So if you're getting tired, if it's you think it's all you, it might not be. We all kind of go through it. You can call it falling out of the seat. I know I did a video on that. The way to counteract that is if you're going to run multiple tracks, if there's a way to practice, if you have the option to go to practice, don't leave it for, don't just go and run a big money race right out of the blue. I have a feeling that it's really going to hamper you. If by chance you have the chance to run multiple classes, this past year was the first time that I ever did that, and I found that accelerated my race prop. It accelerated. The more reps I had, the better prepared I was for the races to come. There's just something about the G-forces, your neck strength, all that stuff. And I can't tell you enough the amount of adrenaline when you're in a race situation. Even, practice is okay and cool, but there's something about getting your heart rate up. There's something about being in that pressure moment that the more you do it, the more comfortable you're going to be at it and the less tired you're going to be. Also, that, setup is one thing too. You're going to have an easier time getting into race shape if your setup is a little better. If you're constantly fighting, a tight car, a loose car, it's something you're having to saw on the wheel the entire time, it's going to be a bigger problem. But still, the reps are going to help. Even in ill-handling kart, the more you run it, it's going to come easier and easier to you. So I just, like a nice, quick, easy video. I know that the new season is coming upon us, and most of us, and I'm not saying all, because there are going to be some people that are just really good at it, or they know how to train for it and this and that they're going to come in the season and easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We're going to roll out and we're going to do our thing. No problem. I'm not tired. This is just, another day at the racetrack. But I, for one, I know that I'm susceptible to it, and it's probably going to happen. Now, I will say this, on the exercise side, that I would say that you're probably going to have an easier time getting over that, getting tired or, lagging behind. I think you're going to be able to race your way into shape a little quicker if you have a baseline package of some core work, some cardio, some lifting weights. If you're actually taking the, taking advantage of what you can do at home before race season. I'm not saying you have to. I'm not saying that, I know people that don't exercise at all and they race fine. They never get tired. They're anomalies. I can't do that. I have to be better prepared than that. I'm pushing the big 5-0. Don't let my wife hear me say that. She gets very upset when I say that. She may or may not be over 50. And I've said that before, that I'm pushing 50, and she's not having it. She's none too happy to say it. Anyway, I need to do that for me. I know that I'm going to get tired. I just know that for some of you new racers, and even some of us, elder racers, classic, whatever you want to call us, advanced age, whatever you want to call that age bracket, it might take a while to get in race shape, but reps will help. Racing reps really help. That's a whole lot of R's. Racing reps really help. Anyway, okay, that's about enough of that. It is very cold out here. I have Supercross to watch. I have to edit this video and get all that. And start sorting through all the JC Specialties. If you're looking for parts, they're not an official sponsor, but I have zero issue promoting them. They are a amazing facility, and if you're looking for anything, if you're looking for products, here we go, parlay that into that. If you're looking for products like Track Tack tire treatments, if you're looking for products like Burris Racing tires, you can get them at JC Specialties. It all comes. You can't get them. You can't get beard octane at JC Specialties. They don't carry beard products yet, but I heard they have like 4,000 different items that they sell at JC Specialties. Maybe beard oil's on the ticket. Maybe smelling good, making your beard feel fresh, is on the ticket for going fast. It's just a thought. So, all right, guys, I really do appreciate you coming by. I'll see you Thursday. We'll do a little live stream action. If it's nice, we'll be back out here. If not, we'll be back up in the room, and we'll hang out there. And like I said, I should have that JC Specialty video done for next week. So I will take you kind of along with me. I didn't do the whole selfie thing. I didn't do the vloggy style, but I did record like a whole bunch of their products and the crowd there and what they have. The slot cars is awesome. I'll show you some of the. I think it's going to be a really cool video. I hope you enjoy it next week. So until then, later.